Just come home, just come home. Run away from all your curses, come home, even if you...
Hello everybody, it's Savannah, and today I'm here with a brand new video. This is a video on how I decorate my trolley. I know that you guys were really excited to watch this video, and you guys seemed to be really interested to watch it, and it was really fun to make. The trolley I got from Michael's, and it's just the rose gold trolley, and all the different things that are on it, I will just simply tell you where they're from. But yeah, so if you guys do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite thing was that I put on my trolley, or you can comment down below a video idea that you want me to do. Let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. Look at it. It is rose gold, and I'm in love with it. It like rolls around. You can roll it, you can place it, and I just love the color of it. I feel like it really just goes with my room really well. And yeah, I'm so excited to get decorated. It's done, and I'm so excited because it looks so super duper cute, and I'm gonna do like a pan thing or whatever and show you where everything's from. But yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it into the light a little bit just so that we can see it. Oh no, I have a cord right there. Let me take care of this. This is the best way to show you guys without it being in like bad lighting, but oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Okay, so starting from the top, this is just one of my agendas. It's going to be for next year. It's like the 2018-2019 one. It says Wander Always, and it's got like maps on the inside and everything. It's so beautiful. I just have an S right here from Michael's, and it like lights up with battery power. Underneath is my Kate Spade tackle box. It has like binder clips and paper clips and all that stuff. In here is like Kate Spade thank you cards. Here is like a mini Kate Spade notebook for like when I'm writing down like doctor's appointments or like meetings and stuff. And then on top is just this little paperweight that my mom gave me. It's just this really cute little gold bird. Super cute. Look at him go. Stapler, which is really cute, and I have gold staples that go inside of it, and so I really like that. I will crouch. So in the bottom right here, I just have my agenda for right now, the one I use on a regular basis. Here is just a little gold box that I keep some of my lip glosses and like my primers and stuff in. Here is all of my liquid lipsticks. These are like ColourPop and NYX and everything. I love this little gold vase. In the back there is just some Kate Spade coasters, and then this cute little camera keychain that my dad got me. And then on the bottom, that's like right there, is my Kate Spade sticky notes that I use quite often. Then we get to the bottom. And the bottom right here, that little circular box right there holds all of like my hair products and stuff like that for my hair. In that little Naked 3 is just all of my facial products. It came with brushes in it, but I love the box because it's like rose gold. This holds all of my pencils and stuff, as you guys have seen. And in the back right here is just my Scentsy. Another thing that I was thinking of doing, just because like I have a little bit of space right there, is putting this like mug here. It's so cute, and just holds like my makeup brushes and stuff, but I don't know if that's gonna look like too cluttered or if it looks cute, but you guys can let me know. But I don't know, I just really love everything. It's just looking so cute. And that is the finished product. Okay, and that is my trolley video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was so much fun to make, so much fun to decorate. Any information as to the trolley itself or what I put on the trolley, you guys can just check out the link in the down bar, and I will put the links to everything, or pretty much everything that I can find in that down bar. And so yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!